Alright, what is up boys and girls? Welcome back to another video. As always, thank you very much for joining me for another video. We're looking at XRP on the daily time frame today here. Just some of my analysis that we have done recently. You can see here, this is pretty much just the overview of everything that I'm probably expecting for XRP over the next 12 to 24 months going into the next bull market. I do think we are set up very, very nicely at the minute, to be honest. I mean, in my opinion, you can't really look at this chart and go that this is not looking exceptionally bullish and promising from any perspective, really, without any of the fundamentals, just regarding the actual price action itself. It's looking very, very good indeed. You can see, obviously, the previous bull market, we came up to around that $2 level. Massive rejection. Came up back up here again, but started to get stuck under our Fibonacci levels. You can see heading down here, having a big capitulation below bull market support, coming down into an area of consolidation down to around 30 cents. Big consolidation and sideways action for a long time here. Stuck under that 50-cent level for such a long time. And obviously you can see this descending resistance as well, which finally got tested in this area here. Obviously big news with the lawsuit. Meant that in this local area here, we had that massive pump, didn't we, all the way up perfectly to the 0.618, by the way. Literally almost to the exact microcent, as you can see here, at 95 cents. Got rejected, obviously coiling up here, and then a big capitulation and rollover. Tons and tons of selling off, obviously just pumping up with the news, basically, wasn't it? And you can see here now, we basically came down into this area here. Big capitulation and backtest of this breakout backtest, bear market resistance of this previous bull market. You can see here, we were coming down for such a long time. We came here, obviously test rejected, and then massive pump, and now back two big massive back tests of this area here, and looking like we are starting to trickle to the upside with that area of 50 cents being back tested as support after being resistance for such a good while. Really looking very nice indeed. I really don't have that much to say about this chart other than it's looking very bullish. And if we see any more bullish news for XRP, very bullish news regarding lawsuits and cases, etc. I do think this thing is going to fly up towards $1 and beyond over the next year. And to be honest, we could be looking at some very decent extensions considering the current price here. Well over $10 in my opinion. And obviously if you consider the very previous all-time high of 2018, along with a Fibonacci extension in this area here, from the real previous high to the real previous low, because really since then we have just been, you could argue, still coiling on a very long time frame. You could be looking at some very tasty extensions indeed. This 161 Fibonacci level at $27 would be absolutely amazing. A very incredible price to be getting up towards. I think a lot of people would be heading towards millionaire status if we did see ourselves heading towards that level. But right now, in the immediate short term, this chart looking very bullish indeed, and I'm excited to see what happens next. So that is it for today, guys. Thank you as always for watching. You're all absolute legends. Like and subscribe and get involved in the content, and I'll catch you in the next video. Cheers.